Okay. Strong hand tayo ngayon. Wala akong taga-video eh. So, ayan. WE Glock 17 with TTI chamber, TTI fixed barrel, stainless steel guide rod with buffer to. Tapos custom na recoil spring. Then for UAB half rubber, stainless steel hammer set with high impact hammer roller. So we're using 0.25 gram GER BBs and PAF Dyno 12 kg. Strong hand. Mukha natin. Ang sight nito is 12 o'clock. Glock 17 Gen 3. Naka steel mag catch pala to. So yan. Firing. So wala nang bala. So ayan ang groupings niya. So ayan, magalaw tayo. May dalawang lumabas, pero ito yung groupings. So not bad for WE Glock 17. Okay, yan yung groupings. Medyo lumaki, pero at least malapit dito sa kan. May dalawang strong hand. So thank you very much.